Hi students, today we learn addition, multiplication, division, subtraction of integers. So signs of integers. Here we consider two integers a and b. So take it as first we learn through examples. So 4 plus 3 equals 7 means both the integers are positive here. Plus 4 plus 3. So we have to add. Next, if one integer is negative and another one is also negative. Now plus into minus, minus here. Or both the integers are negative. Then what we do? Let's see with the example. Minus 2 plus minus 5 equals. So both the signs are minus. So I put here minus. Now both the signs are same. So we should add 5 plus 2, 7. When both the sign are same, we have to add. Next. So one is positive and another one is negative. Both the sign are different. 5 plus of minus 3. Now, both the sign are different. So, we have to subtract here. 5 minus 3, 2. So, which is the greater number here? 5 is the greater number. Their sign is plus. So, we put here plus. Next, one is negative and another one is positive. Again, we have to subtract here because the signs are different. Plus of minus 7 plus 4. Equals. Now both the signs are different. So minus. 7 minus 4. 3. Which is the greater number here? 7 is a greater number. Their sign is minus. So I put here minus. Remember, when we have to do addition and subtraction, that time we see which is the greater number. So their sign will be, we put here. Right? Next, we move to the multiplication. So in multiplication, first the signs are same. Plus into plus equals plus. So one integer is positive and another integer is also positive. 2 3s are 6. Next. So now both the integers are negative. Minus into minus equals plus. Minus 4 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12. Next. Plus into minus, minus. When both the signs are different, we put minus here. So first 3 into minus 2. 3 2s are 6. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus. Again the signs are different. So we put here negative. Minus 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. Plus into minus, minus. Here, when both the signs are positive or both the signs are same, we put plus. When both the signs are negative, we put here minus. Next, we move to the division. So, in division, plus divide plus equals plus. Take it as example. 8 divide 4. 4 ones are 4 2s are 8. Next. Minus divide minus equals plus. Minus 12 divide minus 4. So 12 divide 4 like this also you do. 4 ones are 4 3s are 3. Next, plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, also minus. So here 10 divide minus 2. So 10 divide 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are 5. The sign is negative. So next, minus divide plus equals minus. Minus 12 divide 6 equals minus 2. Next, subtraction. In subtraction, plus, here we got minus. Plus minus of plus equals plus. But see here, first we learn through example. 6 minus 4. See, both the sign are positive now. 6 minus 4 is 2. Their sign is greater number is 6. Their sign is plus. So here plus is there. Next, minus of minus. So now minus 7 minus 3 equals. Now see, minus 7. Minus into minus plus means minus 7 minus into minus plus 3. Now we do subtraction. 7 minus 3, 4. Their sign is greater number is 7. Their sign is minus. Next, minus of minus. Both the sign are different. Now minus. Plus into minus, minus. Let's learn with example. Minus 8 minus of 3. One is negative and another one is positive. So equals minus 11. Last one, plus of minus. Both the sign are different. So minus into minus, plus. Let's see. 12 minus of minus 2. Minus 2. So minus into minus plus. 12 minus into minus plus 2. 12 plus 2, 14. Greater number is 12. Their sign is plus. So I put here plus. Okay. Observe.